In today's video, I'll teach you how to send one-time view pictures on Telegram. So first of all, open the Telegram application. You can see over here, Telegram has been opened. Tap on the chat where you want to send the picture. Now after you do that, that particular chat will be open. So what you have to do is tap on the paperclip icon that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to send the photos, files, locations, etc. You can also tap on this option and simply click the photo right away. Or you can simply scroll down and tap on the picture that you would like to send. After you do that, what you have to do is look into this section that says add a caption. Right over here in this bar, you'll be able to see this kind of icon. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, view once, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, tap on the send icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now the recipient will only be able to see the photo once, and once the photo has been viewed, it will be disappeared. So like this, you'll be able to send the one-time view pictures. So that is how you send one-time view pictures on Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.